In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and effectively generate a profit and loss statement using your reporting tools. This is a fundamental skill for anyone aiming to better understand their financial situation. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or just someone who wants to keep a keen eye on their finances. To get started, you'll need to locate the Reporting feature, which you can usually find in the main menu of your financial application. Once you're in, you'll want to look for the Profit and Loss report. This might be readily available in your Favorites list if you use it often, or you can find it in the All Reports list if it's not immediately visible. Next up is setting your reporting period. This is crucial because it determines the timeline of the financial data you'll be examining. You can adjust this by clicking on the Date drop-down menu. Here you'll see several preset periods such as last month, which can be convenient if you're looking to quickly assess recent financial activity. However, if you have specific dates in mind, go ahead and set a custom date range by selecting the specific dates from the calendars provided. This flexibility allows you to drill down into financial trends over any given time frame, helping you make more informed decisions. Now, let's talk about how to customize your report to suit your needs. You'll find an option to Compare With, which allows you to see how your current financial performance stacks up against a previous year or month. This is an invaluable feature for identifying trends and understanding year-over-year or month-over-month growth or decline. Additionally, there's an Edit Layout option. This feature enables you to group accounts in ways that make sense to you, add or remove columns so you only see what matters most, and reorder accounts for easier analysis. Tailoring the report layout not only makes the data more accessible, but also helps you focus on the particular areas of concern or interest. Don't forget that you can edit the report name for easier identification, which is especially helpful if you're generating multiple reports. Once you've set the parameters and customized your report to your liking, it's time to produce the document. To do this, click on the Update button. This action will generate the report using all the settings you've specified, and you'll be presented with a detailed overview of your financial performance. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently generate and customize a profit and loss statement, providing you with a powerful tool to analyze and interpret your financial data. This will empower you to make informed, strategic decisions for your business or personal finances. Remember, regularly reviewing these reports is a great habit to cultivate, as it keeps you in tune with your financial health. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.